This is a Mathcast where we will be decomposing teen numbers as 10 ones and some ones, and we will be determining their place values. Our first vocabulary word is number, which is a unit that tells how many or how much. We describe numbers with symbols or words like one or one. Our first example is 1, and it's spelled out O-N-E. Our second example is 5, and it's spelled F-I-V-E. And our last example is the number 10, spelled T-E-N. Our next vocabulary word is place value, which is the value a digit has because of its place in a number. For example, the number 16 has a 6 in the ones place and a 1 in the tens place. This means we have 1 group of 10 and 6 ones. And this can be written out as the number 16 or the word 16. Our next vocabulary word is word form, which is a way of writing numbers using number names instead of numerals. For example, when we write out the number 1, we spell it O-N-E. When we write out the number 7, we spell it S-E-V-E-N. And when we write out the number 14, we spell it F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Our next vocabulary word is ones, which are the numbers from 0 to 9, and it also refers to the ones place. For example, the number 12 has 2 ones, which can be represented by the 2 little squares right here. And the number 18 has 8 ones and can be represented by the 8 little squares right here. Our last vocabulary word is tens, which are the numbers from 10 to 99 and also refer to the tens place. For example, in the number 12, we have a 1 in the tens place, so we have 1 group of 10, which can be represented by this right here. In the number 18, we also have 1 group of 10, which will be represented by the long group of 10 right here. In example 1, we need to circle 10 erasers and circle 10 pencils, and then we'll write the amount of each. First, we're going to group together 10 erasers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll put a 1 in the tens place. Now we will count out the rest. 1, 2. So we put a 2 in the ones place. Therefore, we have 12 erasers. Now we will do the same with the pencils. So we'll start with counting out 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we put a 1 in the tens place. Now we count out the rest. 1, 2, 3. So we put a 3 in the ones place. Therefore, we have 13 pencils. Now for example 2. Circle 10 sandwiches, circle 10 milk cartons, and then write the amount of each. First, we will count out 10 sandwiches and group them together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we put a 1 in the tens place. Now we count the rest. 1, so we put a 1 in the ones place. Therefore, we have 11 sandwiches because we have one group of 10 and one left. Next, we will do the same with the milk cartons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we group these 10 together. And we put a 1 in the tens place. Now we count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put a 4 in the ones place. Therefore, we have 14 milk cartons because we have one group of 10 and 4 milk cartons left. Moving on to our last example, example 3. Circle 10 baseballs and write how many are in the group. First, we will start out by counting 10 baseballs and grouping them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we put a 1 in the tens place. Now we count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put a 6 in the ones place. Therefore, we have 16 baseballs because we have one group of 10 and 6 left over. And that's it. Thank you for watching.